Are you still treating artificial intelligence like it's some sort of dark magic? Well, let's rip that Band-Aid right off today. We are pulling back the curtain to uncover the actual real-world mechanics behind large language models, or LLMs. We're going to completely demystify how they work, how they're priced, and exactly how you can seamlessly plug them right into your own business workflows.
Just a quick note before we dive in, this explainer is produced by Waqas Ahmed Shah, an educator and AI agents and automation builder for educators, traders, and startups, based out of Karachi, Pakistan.
Okay, let's tackle the elephant in the room right away. Do these large language models, things like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, actually, think? Do they understand context the way you and I do? The definitive answer is no, absolutely not. They don't have feelings, and they don't truly understand you. Instead, they operate entirely on math, probability, and just incredibly massive data sets. They are constantly looking for patterns, not emotions.
To really grasp how they work, you have to remember that computers only understand one thing: binary, good old zeros and ones. So when you type a command, the system bridges the gap by breaking your human words down into tiny pieces called tokens. Those tokens are then assigned numerical values, and finally, those numbers get converted straight into binary. This mathematical translation? That's the only language the machine actually speaks.
To put that into perspective, let's look at tokenization in action. Take a massive word like entrepreneurship. The model doesn't just read that as one big single block, it actually slices that word up into 3 separate data tokens to process it efficiently.
So, if the AI isn't thinking, what exactly is it doing? Well, it's essentially acting as a highly advanced text predictor. It isn't actually searching the live internet to answer your prompt. Instead, it analyzes the billions of internet examples it was trained on to predict the next word based purely on probability. Say you type, "I want to start a business." It calculates that in 80% of similar cases from its training data, the next logical response is a greeting or an acknowledgement. It literally builds its response word by word, token by token.
But you can't just let raw probability run wild. It requires massive human oversight. These models undergo continuous fine-tuning. Tech companies hire thousands of human workers to constantly tweak these responses, ensuring accuracy and actively preventing harmful or biased outputs. And the best part? On a business level, you can fine-tune these models on your own data. A law firm, for instance, can train a model specifically on its private case history to get highly specialized, relevant legal guidance rather than just generic fluff.
Now, let's pivot to the business side. How do you actually build this into your own apps? You need an API, or Application Programming Interface. In easy corporate language, an API is basically a digital bridge. It simply connects your external application to a main company's system, like OpenAI, allowing you to seamlessly pull their powerful features directly into your own tools.
If that sounds a bit too tech-heavy, just think of a restaurant. You are the customer giving your order to the waiter. In this scenario, the waiter is the API. The waiter takes your order back to the chef in the kitchen, and the chef is the AI model. The chef cooks the meal, and the waiter brings the food, or in our case, the generated response, right back to your table. Simple as that.
So, the crucial takeaway is how you can leverage this. By generating a private secret API key from OpenAI, you can build custom business wrappers. These are essentially apps that use AI under the hood, but feature your own branding. You can automate text and image generation using workflow tools like N10, or you can even launch highly specific niche chatbot solutions to solve problems and generate actual revenue.
Section 1. The economics of AI tokens. What does it actually cost to run these models behind the scenes?
OpenAI charges developers based on blocks of 1 million tokens, and the pricing dynamics are fascinating. Input tokens, which are the prompts you type or the PDFs you upload, are generally cheaper. Output tokens, the text the model actually generates and sends back to you, are a lot more expensive. But here is a fantastic cost-saving trick: cached inputs. If you ask the exact same question repeatedly, the system recognizes it and gives you a significant discount.
And hey, you aren't just limited to text. This ecosystem is absolutely massive. You have models like GPT-5 and GPT-5 Mini for text, Sora for generating mind-blowing video, DALL-E for images, and Whisper for converting audio to text. OpenAI also offers the Agent Builder, giving you the power to create fully customized automated agents entirely within their ecosystem. But look, if you really want to leverage these tools to their fullest, you need to cultivate an independent mindset. Honestly, the absolute best knowledge comes directly from the official documentation. Stop relying solely on secondary videos. Spend 30 minutes exploring the official sites, read how the APIs work, and totally remove that fear of being technical.
To get you started right away, here is a highly actionable 3-step empowerment plan. Step 1. Go read that official documentation. Step 2. Get your hands dirty and experiment with your own API keys. And Step 3. If you get stuck, go ask experts on LinkedIn for help. The tech community is incredibly willing to offer guidance for free if you just reach out and ask.
We've demystified the magic, explored the actual mechanics, and broken down the economics. Understanding these models is absolutely crucial for the future of pretty much every professional field right now. So I'll leave you with this thought to kickstart your journey. Which manual process in your business will you automate first using your own independent research? Get out there and start exploring today.